Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Abraham Gonzalez and I'm one of the founders over here at LeadGeeks.io. In today's video, we're going to be going over LinkedIn Sales Navigator and how you can use it to connect with your ideal clients. LinkedIn Sales Navigator is arguably one of the most powerful tools when it comes to B2B networking and messaging. The reason why is because LinkedIn Sales Navigator allows you to pinpoint out your ideal prospects using a series of filters including company revenue, decision maker, company size, and much more. So if you want more videos like this going over LinkedIn tips and tricks, marketing hacks, and things like that, please subscribe below and we'll keep the videos coming. Let's get started. Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to be talking about LinkedIn Sales Navigator and how to use it to find your ideal customers and leads. So LinkedIn Sales Navigator was LinkedIn's tool designed for businesses and for sales professionals to be able to navigate LinkedIn's extensive network and connect with the right people. So using LinkedIn, you're literally able to find who your ideal client is and then contact them directly using Sales Navigator. So for this example, let's pretend we're a marketing company, right, who's targeting orthodontists. So I'm going to actually find the owners and decision makers who are going to be in charge of hiring us and now start this conversation with them all through LinkedIn. So type in orthodontist. Let's hope I spelled that correct. Okay, perfect. So just typing in the keyword orthodontist, I found an orthodontist director, orthodontist at Fourth Dimension Orthodontics, director of global business development, orthodontist at Dental Network, Invisalign specialist. Okay, cool. So basically I found a lot of orthodontists, right? So now let's target the person who's in charge of hiring us. So I can use geography to find all of the orthodontists in the United States. Perfect. However, let's get more specific than that and let's go for the lower hanging fruit. So I'm in Florida. So let's find, a local orthodontist. Now the list broke down to 994 results, just like that. And now, if I want to target the decision maker, the owner, of the practice, the person who's going to be in charge of hiring us, I can use these filters to actually pinpoint out that individual. So seniority level, I can type in owner, and now I have 95. And now these are going to be all of the owners at the orthodontist. I can, find partner. And then obviously, depending on what you're looking, who you're looking to target and what your services are, decision makers are going to be different. It might not always be the owner, right? Could be somebody that heads a sales department. Let's say you're targeting marketing companies. We're going to go into the marketing industry. Owner and partner. I can now target in Florida about 22,000 owners and partners at marketing companies. But let's say we're trying to target, the person in charge of sales. I can literally use function, go into sales and use a title such as head of sales if that's who my lead is or who my ideal lead is. And just like that, head of sales. I built a list of 65 head of sales at marketing and advertising companies here in Florida, head of product marketing and sales enablement at Real Chemistry, head of sales media, head of sales Premier Media, head of sales Imprint Genius, head of sales Digidust Growth Agency. So using LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can target by geography, by relationship. This is pretty cool. If you're already connected with them, you would use first degree. If you want to find people who you're not connected with, but you share a similar connection with them, you can use second degree. So this is warmer and it's highly recommended you use when doing outreach. Then you can target people by the company they're in. So if I want to find somebody at, let's say, Pixel Shark Marketing, boom, I put in the company name and now I can figure out who I want to talk to within that company. Is it someone that's in sales? Is it the head of sales? So that's really, it's a great tool to use. You can then use the industry tab or the industry filter to filter by industry. Company headcounts are a really cool one. So for example, if you're someone who's trying to target, let's say, startups or smaller companies, you would target people, within the self-employed to 1 to 10 headcount. However, if you're targeting bigger companies, you would use the bigger headcounts to target the right size companies. You then have seniority level. This is literally what level within the company they're in. Then you have functions. And then title. So if you want to find a specific title, maybe, it's not the owner, but it's the head of sales, head of marketing, communications director. This is going to be how you pinpoint out those individuals. LinkedIn Sales Navigator also has an account filter. So accounts is sweet because let's imagine you're not only looking for the specific person, but you want to see what companies would be a good fit for you to go after. So by targeting accounts, this is how you actually target by companies. So if I want to find marketing and advertising companies in Florida, I come up with this list of 18,000 accounts. However, if I want to target by revenue, I can now put in 5, and now I'm targeting companies with over 5 million in revenue, and my list went from 22,000 to 51. Then the department headcount. This is pretty sweet. If I want to target maybe a marketing company with a large sales team with at least 15 employees that's doing over 5 million, I just filter down my list even further. So you have company headcount growth, technologies they've used. So if they're using Google Analytics, WordPress, things like that, you can even find them by technologies used. And then if they're on the Fortune list, what Fortune company they are. So LinkedIn Sales Navigator, in a recap, is LinkedIn's tool designed for sales teams and for businesses to navigate this extensive network and connect with the right person or business using a series of filters. I hope this video helps. If you find this content helpful, you want some more LinkedIn hacks, some more marketing tips and tricks, please subscribe below, and I'll be sure to put out this, information for you just to help you take your LinkedIn game and digital marketing game to the next level. Take care, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.